Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be doing an update on Warrant Finance. But before we get into it, if you could please hit the like button, subscribe down below if you are new, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter at JBKDeFi. Subscribe to the email newsletter. All the Discord links are down below, and everything you need is down in the description. But with that being said, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. And with that said, let's jump into the video. So if you don't know, Warrant is a Carol protocol fork that launched over on the Pulse network, which is the first of its kind on Pulse, and it has been doing very well. So if you don't know, essentially you get a base APR of 2% per day, okay, and then you get a liquidity bonus. So for every 428,000 or whatever this number is, my brain is not mathing right now, DAI to WPLS LP in the liquidity pool on PulseX, the daily yield will increase by 0.1%. And then you also get a hold bonus for if you don't claim for over 24 hours, then you get an additional 0.05%. And then you get a personal bonus as well for every, for depending on how much you have in here, right? So the total liquidity right now stands at $1.4 million, and the price is currently 2 cents. Now, if we go over to the chart, you can see that this has just been going crazy. So this is the liquidity, okay, token that you have to put in. So if you jumped in on day one, let's go back to like the daily chart, right? And you can see it has just been going up. It started at $1, and then obviously it's just been shooting up since then, since it launched back at the start of December, right? So it's been going for a good while now, over a month. And you can also see the market cap. The market cap is currently 23 million. They do have now they do have a bridge page for Pulse. So if you don't already have tokens on Pulse, you can click the bridge, and it will bring you to SparkSwap, which is a bridge for Pulse, which they didn't have before when I made my first video. So that's a pretty cool little feature. So if you don't know how to jump in, I currently have an active bond here that I done on the 18th of December. But essentially, if you don't know how this works, then you need to go ahead and you need to go ahead and get yourself some DAI to WPLS, okay, which you can do so. You can go, and if you don't want to zap in, then you can go and purchase that LP yourself. And then essentially what you need to do is you need to put in the amount of LP that you want to go ahead and create Warrant. So let's say you have like, I don't know, let's say $200 worth, then you're going to get this amount of Warrant tokens, and then you'll go ahead and zap in. So you can zap in the LP if you have like Pulse tokens, or if you don't want to go ahead and grab the LP yourself, you don't want to create that on Pulse, then you can go ahead and zap in tokens. So let's say I wanted to zap in this $100, then I could go ahead and do that right now, and it will create the liquidity for me. So let's say you have any of these tokens on Pulse, and you want to go ahead and create some Warrant LP, then you can just zap the tokens in, and it will do it for you. Okay. And then, yep, you click approve, and it will create your Warrant tokens. However, when you do zap in, just make sure that you're only zapping in 50% of what you want. So let's say you want $100. Let's say I want to turn this $100 into liquidity to stake in Warrant. Then I would need to zap in 50 of this out of this 100, because then when you go ahead and stake and create the bond, you need to go ahead and have an additional amount of money here. So just keep that in mind before you do go ahead and stake, because that is something that you want to keep an eye on, okay? It's 50-50 when you go ahead and create the liquidity. So, yep, there's just a little update on Warrant, and nothing too much to go ahead and say here. This wallet, I don't have a bond on. I do have an active bond on other wallets, though. But, yeah, been going fine. I've been claiming sort of every few days. And, yeah, it's been doing pretty well. The token's been going up as well, which is good to see. And $1.4 million in liquidity, which is increasing. But guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to, turn the notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.